Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera with Vlogger Accessory Kit. The Sony ZV-1 camera is perfect for content creators and vloggers. With this bundle, you also get the Corel Software Suite V3, Photo Mirage, Video Studio 2019, Painter Essentials 7, PaintShop Pro 2019, and Aftershot Pro 3, Sony a/CVC1 Vlogger Accessory Kit, and Case Logic CPL103 Compact System Camera Case. The ZV-1 features a 1.0 type stacked Exmor RS-CMOS image sensor with DRAM chip and 24-70mm f1.8 to 2.8 Zeiss Vario Sonor T large aperture lens, creating beautiful background background blur, allowing the subject to stand out from the background. The camera locks onto and tracks subjects with high accuracy and speed using Sony's leading-edge autofocus system. The ZV-1 also includes the latest generation Bions X image processor with front-end LSI delivering high resolution as well as low noise for superior image quality. It also combines this exceptional imaging technology with high-quality and versatile audio options. The ZV-1 is Sony's first compact camera with a side-opening vari-angle LCD screen, making it easier to compose your shots in selfie mode while connecting external audio accessories. To meet any video need, the ZV-1 contains advanced video features including 4K movie recording and in-body image stabilization. Click the link in the description to get the Sony ZV-1 bundle today at the best price. Also, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.